Cassava is one of the major food security crop, as well as a cash crop with great potential to significantly improve the livelihoods of many households, particularly those of the smallholder farmers.
Much as it is a food security crop, it has huge potential beyond that. Cassava is one of the most highest yielding crop commodity in the world, almost second to sugarcane. Cassava is also very rich in carbohydrate. That carbohydrate is mostly starch. So you can transform cassava into starch, and it can do almost everything that a starch product can do. And when you go a step further and turn starch into glucose, there you can make anything including textiles. Cassava can be used in the bakery industries, and there's huge market for it. And with the fuel crisis facing the world now, cassava is a really good commodity because you can turn cassava direct into ethanol, and that ethanol can be used for various things, including power ethanol. Just imagine the potential that will open to our farming communities.
Africa Innovations Institute, an indigenous non-government organization, is at the forefront of exploring avenues to develop the cassava crop sector in Uganda. Using funds from Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, Africa Innovations Institute, in collaboration with the Natural Resources Institute, through the Cassava Adding Value for Africa project, closely work with smallholder farmers in Palisa, Bukedea and Soroti so that they can transform the cassava crop from a staple into an industrial crop.
We have organized these farmers into groups and then organized those groups into clusters. Then a number of clusters are supported by local NGOs. So we support local NGOs to work with these farmers. So then the best techniques of producing high quality cassava, high yielding, disease-free cassava, and to show them how to dry cassava so that it can make high quality cassava flour.
At the second level, we are building business development services. We are making interventions at technology development level to be able to process high quality cassava flour. And then at the third level, we are making interventions at the industry, sensitizing the biscuit industry, the bakery industries to be able to use high quality cassava flour as an inexpensive raw material in their operations.
And the whole chain, the end user industries, the processors, the producers are all linked together in an association which they manage by themselves. So that even if the project now ends, this linkage will have been established, the capacity and the know-how will be within these communities and within the processors, and they are able to continue.
Over 16,000 smallholder farmer households are set to directly benefit from the 3 years Cassava Value Addition for Africa project, CAVA in short. The project, for example, has already trained community members to in turn reach out to several farmer groups and train them to make high quality cassava flour.
Tubadde tukola naye nga tetuli ku quality nga tukola tetubifanako osala oleseka ettaka ebiri by'ebintu by'okozesa olusi tobirongoseza bulungi ogenda okujja mu muwogo nga tali ku quality ey'akatale ogenda okulaba nga bagamba ono tetutwala katoyo ng'omusigaza ng'akatale ofiiriddwa ng'omutunda ku bbeeyi eya wansi.
With this cover training, I have discovered that grating helps the granules to dry very fast. Now that we are doing business and we are entering this National markets, I have preferred the cover technology because after processing, you straight away get pure dry granules.
The communities were also trained how to package and store the flour to increase its shelf life. They also taught them how to produce income-generating products such as cakes, donuts, among others, that can easily earn them a good income. To speed up the adoption process, each of the cover partner association, namely Palisa Agribusiness Training Association in Palisa District, Popular Knowledge Women Initiatives in Bokedia District, and Soroti Sweet Potato Farmers and Processors Association in Soroti District, was given a set of high-quality cassava flour processing equipment to pilot a loan scheme.
Thank you very much, Robert. Thank you.
They are expected to pay back 10% of the money raised from each batch of high-quality cassava flour processed and sold until they will complete 1,930,000 shillings, which is the money that the project used to procure the equipment on their behalf. As part of the comprehensive strategy to promote the production and use of high-quality cassava flour in small-scale as well as large-scale industries as a raw material, confectionery dealers have been brought on board.
Well, the idea behind all this is for the country to save on foreign exchange it loses by importing large quantities of wheat. Over 300,000 metric tons of wheat are imported, and more than 60% of that goes into the bakery industry. So why not use cassava flour, which is locally produced? By developing this industry, the cassava farmers will be able to find their own their market, which is local, and they will be able to increase their incomes and generally increase their livelihoods.
In Soroti, for example, bread bakers experimented with a 20% replacement of wheat flour with high-quality cassava flour.
Now, who is not happy? Everyone is happy. Yeah.
We are very, very happy to receive this project, which has introduced this HQCF knowledge. When we begin using it, it is going to help us so much. The wheat flour we have been using, prices are not all that constant, they keep on changing. We have been buying at the high prices, and with this knowledge of using cassava flour, we hope to make profits than the way we have been depending on wheat flour.
There are things that are really promising in the 20% of the HQCF that we have used. The dough itself in the mixing it comes out quite fine. Even the color, browning of the bread has really improved, which is really very important in the marketing. The aroma itself is quite good. We have really liked it. And we believe our customers, the consumers, will definitely take it as well.
A sample of the baked bread was also given to the consumers, and they too commended the quality of the cassava bread.
Mugati guno gulimu enjawulo ku mugati gwa bulijjo ffe gwe tulya wano. Ekisookera ddala guwooma okusinga gwa bulijjo gwe tulya. N'akawoowo kaakwo ka njawulo.
Hii boflo hii mwenye wameweka muunga ya muhogo iko tamu sana. Niko sasa mwenye wameweka mayai. Si kama ya kila siku. Na tena iko mzito, iko laini sana. Hii unaweza nunua hata ya 500 na kula usibi, lakini hii tosi mbili tu unaweza ukakula ukasiba.
For Nigerians, it has become part of the system to bake with composite flour. Bread bakers, biscuit manufacturers, caterers, home bakers. Everybody uses that composite flour. Currently, wheat millers in Nigeria are adding 10% cassava in every bag of wheat flour that they sell. And Nigerians do not have problems with that.
And that policy decision by the Nigerian government triggered a huge demand on cassava. And the cassava industry in Nigeria is flourishing. The potential of cassava is great. Let's all put our hands and heads together and turn this potential into cash that our farmers can use to improve their lives.